you've never been here before, I should let you know that my thing is baking. I have been baking for such a long time. When I was younger, I worked in bakeries and as a pastry chef at a catering company, and now I run the recipe website bakingamoment.com. So I'm in my kitchen every day, developing recipes, testing them, seeing what works, what doesn't work, and throughout that process, I have learned so much. So if you want to be a better baker, I can help you. Make sure you hit subscribe so you'll never miss any of my best tips, tricks, or recipes. Today we're going to talk about brownies, but not just any brownies. I'm talking about peanut butter brownies. Can anyone resist peanut butter and chocolate? I know I can't. If you like Reese's, then you will love these peanut butter brownies. It all starts with my favorite brownie recipe, Simply Perfect Brownies from Scratch. And yes, you can bake brownies from scratch. It's not hard at all. All you need is a bowl, a spoon, a handful of ingredients. You stir them all together, you pour it in a pan, and you bake it. But what makes these brownies special is the peanut butter swirl. They are so fudgy and so chocolatey, and that peanut butter just takes them to the next level. So here's how you're gonna make these rich and so good. These brownies are so chocolatey and so fudgy, they almost melt in your mouth. The chocolate flavor really comes through. But then there's that peanut butter swirl that gives them like a little bit of a savory edge. They're completely irresistible. I know you're gonna love these peanut butter swirl brownies. So head on over to bakingamoment.com and grab